Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2015 535D M Sport Touring. The vehicle is presented in carbon Schwartz metallic, features the YNC body enhancement kit alongside some nice features and options from BMW. As with all of the cars here at your next car, it's physically in stock, ready to be driven away. There are no hidden extras, so as you see the vehicle is as you will purchase it. If you are of course interested in this immensely powerful, very practical 535D M Sport Tourer, then simply after watching this walk around, check out the description box just below the video, as there you can see the link to our website as well as our contact information. From the website you can see the prices and funding options for the car, as well as our really easy to use finance calculator system, as well as you can apply it from there. Or of course get in touch directly to discuss any purchasing of the car, or you can get in touch via text message, email, WhatsApp, telephone, all of the usual routes for any further help regarding the purchase of this lovely example. Let's get back to talking about the car then. We have got the Angel Art and Xenon headlamps, gloss black front splitter, matching kidney grills, and then we have also added brand new 20-inch alloy wheels for this 5 Series. They have also got brand new tyres. The 5 Series always did deserve 20-inch alloy wheels in my opinion, especially in the M Sport spec, and especially being a Tourer. It really just fills out the arches very, very nicely. You've got the satin side vinyls with YNC Mperformance decals, rear sun protection glazing. We will get a chance to look at the interior very shortly. This one comes with a nice contrast, being that you've got the gloss black window surrounds and then the brushed aluminium roof rails. As you can see, I actually think that works very, very nicely with one another. And as we go to the rear of the car then, being a 535D, you've got that very nice factory twin exit exhaust. They are in the gloss black exhaust tips as well. Like any 5 Series Tourer, you can split the tailgate, so you can have just the glass portion open, and as you can see then the luggage cover will also raise itself as well. So we can then drop that section down and then go ahead and open up the full tailgate, so you can see just how large the luggage space really is. It's a fantastic boot space on this 5 Series, all at the same time as not removing any space from the passenger compartments, which we'll see in just one second. Really nice feature having the electric tailgate as well. And again, as you can see, it's been kept very, very nicely, especially considering it's a 2015 car. At the passenger side then, let's go ahead and open one of the doors. It's got the Oyster Dakota leather, which in my opinion is the colour choice to go for, especially with this exterior colour. You've got a full 3-seat Isofix, obviously, with the central folding armrest. 2 colours that do complement one another very nicely. And if we go ahead and open up the front door, then in the front you get part electric movement front seats. They are also both heated. We've got a superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which is going to work really nicely with that twin turbo 3-litre diesel engine. Whilst yes, it's an immensely powerful diesel engine, it will still happily return healthy fuel economy figures on a good run, all while still putting a huge smile on your face. They never ever get boring, these big diesel engine BMWs. I must have driven thousands of them by now, and every time I drive one, I'm still blown away by the amount of torque and power that is on offer. But again, all at the same time, it's a hugely refined experience because they are very, very quiet inside the car. There is no harshness to the engine, no harsh sound to it. If you fire it up, you can barely even hear it's running, especially if you close the windows. And again, if I just turn the fans down a little bit, in here you would barely know that there was a twin turbo 3-litre diesel up front there. Covered just over 79,000 miles, which is not particularly high mileage for one of these cars. You'd expect to see these on well over 100 or so thousand miles by now. So again, nice low mileage example. Business nav and media, so that's your nav view. You've got your Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio, front CD, USB, AUX and Bluetooth line-in. So you're well and truly sorted for entertainment and your navigation functions there. If we check out the service Status menu next of all. It's not due a service for 11,000 miles. You've got dual automatic climate control system. As I mentioned, heated front seats. Has got good service history, this car as well. Been very, very well looked after, and it really does show inside the interior. So there is a look around this fantastic 535D M Sport Tourer. These have always been a very, very sought after car for somebody that does a good amount of mileage, or even if you're not doing a great amount of mileage in the week, but you are somebody that does like to use their car for those long distance weekends away. I couldn't think of many cars that are better suited for that. You've got plenty of space, plenty of comfort, and a car that will get you there very quickly and use not a lot of fuel on the way. If you'd like to know more, as I mentioned right at the beginning, check out the description box below. In the meantime, from everybody here, thank you, take care, bye-bye.